Hi everyone, welcome to GreenMonk TV. We're here at the Smart Grids Europe conference and I'm talking to Joost Brinkman, who's with the Amsterdam Smart City initiative. Joost, can you tell me, what is the Amsterdam Smart City initiative?
Well, what we try to do within Amsterdam is to really set up different pilots and projects that that are sustainable, that really change the behavior of inhabitants. And what we found out is that what you really have to do to make that change and to start pilots that really have impact, you have to make sure that there is a lot of collaboration between different parties. For instance, housing companies, grid operators, solution providers, but most important, the end users. Okay. And in Amsterdam we do that both on the areas of living, residentials, on the area of working, and in transportation.
Okay, so you've got, those are kind of the categories of projects that you're rolling out. And what kinds of projects are you doing? What kind of things are you working on?
For instance, in the living, we have two pilots on where energy displays are being implemented, so people really get knowledge of what they use. I just gave a short presentation in a room with 200 people and I asked, well, who of you have any insight in their energy consumption? And there were about 5 people who were in the sector of energy who raised their hands, so that says enough. Nobody really knows what their energy is using. And so that's one project, and for instance in working we are implementing a smart building solution. So there's going to be ICT in that building that automatically shuts things off and sees when the sun is coming up, the roofs the sun shuts down.
Okay, and you mentioned transportation as well.
Yeah, transportation, we do that together with the City of Amsterdam. The City of Amsterdam is implementing all kind of 200 charging points for electrical vehicles, and we also work together with the Harbour of Amsterdam that's going to implement a ship to the grid solution, which means that large boats when they are resting in the harbour, they get connected to the grid, so that's better for the noise and for the CO2.
When you say they get connected to the grid, you mean they have to shut off their engines?
Right, exactly.
So there's no emissions,
no
noise?
No noise, right.
And they're working off the electrical grid?
Yes, super. I see you are the expert as well. Very good.
I had a bit of a briefing yesterday from some of your colleagues.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Great. Superb. Joost, that's been fantastic. Thanks for coming on the show.
Welcome.